Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. Today's video will be slightly different. I will divide it into two parts. In the first part we're gonna talk about the brand Gruum and I will show you the products from this box. After I'm doing that, we will move to the second part of today's video where I will tell you my personal opinion about these products, how they were to me and whether I like them or not. I discovered the brand Gruum thanks to Facebook. In the feed I saw an ad if I want to try like a brand discovery kit. I registered my details and after a few days the kit arrived. The kit was free of charge, I paid only for the delivery. The story of a brand is a very nice one. It was created by 4 friends from Manchester. They focus on quality, clean ingredients and fair prices. Okay, beautiful people, this is the box. Let's open it and discover the products. The box is called Luxury Face, Body and Hair Care Set, and as you can see, it contains 3 products, one from each category. First is the Purifying Facial Cleansing Bar with charcoal and orange. Is a handmade cleansing bar with charcoal to detox and purify, and orange oil for brightening. In the middle we have a Shampoo Bar, Nourishing Coconut, is handmade in England and is for all hair types. And the last product is Body Wash Bar with orange and grapefruit. Is a creamy body wash bar, handmade with nourishing coconut oil and skin-friendly ingredients, 100% natural. I appreciate that this set does not contain plastic at all. It came this way without another box or a plastic bag, and this matters to me. Now let's move to the second part of today's video, where I'm gonna tell you my personal opinion about these products. I tried all of them, not once or twice. I tried them a couple of times. Only the facial cleansing bar, I use it twice, and the reason is that I have normal to dry skin and I don't like to use this type of a product on my face because usually they dry the skin. If I mentioned the facial cleansing bar, let's start with it. For me, it's not a bad product. Maybe on an oily skin will work better because, as I said, it does dry the skin. What else I can say about it is that it smells nice, it cleanses the skin. To be honest, this is the product that I liked the least. Here we have a shampoo bar. Guys, this is a lovely product, I like it a lot. Cleans the hair well, it smells gorgeous, it has a pure coconut scent, really nice and refreshing. A pleasure to wash your hair with it. Really like it and enjoy it. However, even though I really like the shampoo, the most loved, adored is the body wash bar. First, it smells lovely, it has a fresh orange scent, and the second is that it has small exfoliating beads in it, so you will get a gentle exfoliating treatment. I hope they will be visible on the camera. Really love this product and use it with pleasure. And this was my honest opinion about these products. I'm wondering if you tried this brand, what do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below this video. And this was everything for today. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!